Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Sharing. Today's topic is Class 8, Chapter 1, Crop Production and Management, Part 3. That is, we are going to study about weeding, production of crops, and harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. So first, what is weeding? Often unwanted plants, called weeds, grow along with the main crop to compete with the main crop for space, light, nutrients, etc. They vary from crop to crop and from season to season. Some weeds are poisonous, so farmers should remove them fastly from the field. Some commonly found weeds are wild oats, grass, amaranthus, etc. So the best way to remove weeds is before they start to produce eggs and larvae, and the tilling of soil before sowing seeds is also the best way to remove weeds from the field. The process of removing weeds from a field is called weeding. There are three methods by which we can remove weeds from a field. First one is manual method. It is done manually with the help of tools or with the hand or by cutting them with a knife close to the ground. Second method is by spraying. Some weeds are destroyed by simple chemical substances, that is herbicides or weedicides. Weedicides are chemical substances that damage the weeds, that kill the weeds but do not damage the crop. And while spraying weedicides, farmers should cover their mouth with a piece of cloth to get rid of the poisonous effects of these chemicals. And they are diluted in water. The weedicides are diluted in water and are sprayed in the field using a sprayer. The commonly used weedicides are 2,4-D, Dalapon, etc. Third method is biological method of weed destruction. In this method, the living organisms are used to kill these weeds. For example, cochineal insects are used to control the growth of a weed called Opuntia. This is about weeding. Now, let's discuss about production of crops from pests and diseases. It is estimated that 10% of crops are destroyed by pests every year. Pests are pests or organisms that attack and damage the crops. Insects such as termites, rodents such as rats, and microorganisms such as fungi are pests. And the crops also are affected by diseases. For example, rust and smut are fungal diseases caused in wheat. Potatoes suffer from a disease called blight. Wilt is a disease caused by the bacterium. So farmers should avoid these diseases for the crops. So because it is harmful and it totally reduces the crop yield. So there are poisonous chemical substances such as pesticides which kill these which kill these pests and do not harm the crop. Pesticides are broadly divided into weedicides, which are used. Pesticides are used to are divided into various types. For example, they are divided into rodenticides, which are used to kill rodents, and insecticides, which are used to kill insects, and fungicides, which are used to kill fungi. Pesticides are also diluted in water and sprayed in the field using a sprayer. If the field is used, they are sprayed using a low flying aircraft. The common used pesticides are DDT, atrazine, etc. Pesticides should also be used with caution as they not only kill harmful insects and also kill the useful insects such as honeybee. Pesticides cause skin irritation and respiratory problems in human beings, so farmers should cover their mouth and nose with a piece of cloth while spraying them. They get mixed with soil, air, and water and enter the bodies and enter inside to the plants. And so we also eat plants, so they enter us and cause diseases in us. So it is important that we should wash the coating of each fruit and vegetable before cutting or eating them. This is about production of crops. Now, let's discuss about harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. So, what is harvesting? The cutting of ready or mature crop is known as harvesting. The harvested crop is cut using a secret harvester. The time of harvest is a festivity. So, we celebrate Pongal in Tamil Nadu and Baisakhi in Punjab. These are the festivals at the time of harvesting. And the second one is threshing. The threshing is a process of separating the grain from the stalk. The stalk is nothing but the outer covering of the grain. It is done by trampling them using buffalo's feet, camel's feet, and beating it with sticks, etc. Nowadays, thresher machine is used to separate the grain from the stalk. Third method is winnowing. It is used to separate the grain from the chaff. So the farmers generally lift the chaff at a place where there is more wind, and the grain being heavier falls down vertically, and the chaff being lighter falls down at a distance. By this method, we can separate the grain from the chaff. Often nowadays, farmers use combine. That is, this tractor performs harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. This is combined. So after harvesting, this is about harvesting, testing, and winnowing. Now, after harvesting, farmers generally leave some crops and give it as food for their cattle. They generally burn the stubs that are left behind. Burning of stubs causes pollution, and hence farmers are advised not to burn. So that's all, friends. This is pretty much I know about crop protection and management part 3. If you have any doubts, please type your doubts in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.